4 a.m. in the morning, when every one of us is sleeping, a 17-year-old boy wakes up with eyes full of dark circles in a messy room, books everywhere. This is how millions of students in India begin their day, at an age where millions of students are discovering who they are, in which field they are good, in which field they should go. Millions of students in India are already afraid of failure. Because in India, one exam can decide your future. In many Indian homes, the career pressure begins even before their childhood ends. Doctor, engineer, government officer, these aren't jobs. They are seen as survival. For millions of families, education is the only pathway for a stable life, the only way to escape the financial struggle. And this made the coaching industry of India too big. What began as an extra help for students slowly transformed into one of the India's biggest industries. The coaching industry today is worth thousands of crores. Kota became the symbol of this system. Every year students came from each corner of the India to live in this place. और अगर आप यहाँ पे नहीं पढ़ रहे ना, तो लोगों ने पहले ही अपने माइंड में ये बना रखा है कि आप तो पहले ही बहुत पीछे रह चुके हो. The system runs on constant comparison. Every test creates winner and thousands of losers. When results come out, nobody talks. Everyone just checks where they stand. Some students study 16 to 18 hours daily. Sleep becomes secondary, health becomes secondary, and even life itself becomes secondary. And slowly the pressure becomes normal. And this system doesn't run on ambition. It's mostly run out of fear. Fear of unemployment, fear of failure, fear of being left behind. Families spend the entire savings of their lives and expect that the security of job will come. But this education fails to guarantee security. For many students, this pressure becomes unbearable. Behind the ranks, another reality exists, and maybe that's what makes this system too much tragic. Nobody is trying to hurt these students. Parents want security, teachers want marks, and students need success. But the pressure keeps going anyway. In a healthy system, failure is temporary. But in this coaching industry, the failure becomes permanent. This fear alone shows everything. India produces millions of graduates every year, but the quality opportunities remain same. And when the opportunity becomes scarce, the competition becomes brutal. An entire generation grew up believing that their worth depends upon the marks, the degrees, and the level of education they have, and the level of packages they have. And slowly the education stopped being learning. It has become a survival. But the education was never made to create machines, was meant to create thinkers. If you go deep into this, you can really see a parent supporting their child to be an artist, to be a scientist, to be an innovator, or to be a human. They just want their child to be a machine, work how the company wants you to do. Because a country future does not depend on how much pressure the children of the country can remain. Government has to take some steps to improve our education system, or either our education system will be the worst and none of us will be able to get jobs, none of us will be able to earn money in our life. And job doesn't matter at all if you are earning a good amount of money. And nowadays, if you see, artists are earning hundreds of times more than jobs. So keep working on your passion. Please like the video, share the video, and leave a comment on it.
आजाद है बंधन कोई अब है कहाँ धूप है छम से बिखर तू है नदी ओ बेखबर बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं दिल खुश